Hey everybody, it's just me today. Not sure where Alan is or what he's up to. Still need to talk to him in regards to the Discord group or the Slack app. Um, I'm new to it, so I don't really know exactly how it works or how you can tell when people are online versus not online. Um, Slowly I'll kind of make my way through it. I think Alan's intentions are to share trades that he sees when they do appear. Um, but Alan doesn't trade all the time. A lot of times he's just watching to see what the market's doing. And today seemed kind of like a digest kind of day. You look at the SPX and the NDX, the NASDAQ, they're both green, but they started off red. I think the Dow's down. Small caps are still taking a beating. Not quite risk on yet. So a couple things that I want to mention. First, technical wise, someone came to me with an issue with the earnings app. I'm working on it. I think what I'm going to try to do tonight, it's been crazy here, and I apologize because I have a list a mile long of stuff to do. Hopefully before Vegas. Um, and that earnings app is a top priority. So what I think I might do is basically try to get it to work, not necessarily fix the issue, but get it to work, and then send him a free version of it for a couple weeks. Feel like it's the least I can do. Um, Both Alan and I kind of use the free version as well. Um, so if you subscribe to either of the apps and find they're not working, um, reach out to me and then we'll go from there. Um, I just kind of need a message from Alan. Um, and I got a message from my daughter saying I'm gonna leave in 10 minutes. So anyway, Alan and I are gonna meet tomorrow. I'm gonna share my screen because, like I said, I only have 5 or so minutes before I take my daughter. Um, Netflix is up after earnings, and if we go look at their chart, so this is a 3 month chart, and it looks fairly bullish. And in order to look for highs, so we're saying about 533, which is above this. 1 year, still no. 2 year. We'll see this gap right here. If we look out to the 5 year. So this was an earnings gap right here back in 2022. And I think if we zoom in on that, if I can zoom in on that, um, no, it's not letting me. So this earnings gap is basically 507 down to 492. And if you notice, we've kind of bumped up into that 490 level. We're now up in the 530. So which would put it right about here. So we've kind of closed that gap. Um, let's see if we can kind of continue, if Netflix can kind of rally. Um, we'll see what they say as far as subscribers and things like that go. Another one to watch that someone brought up in the Slack app was Baba, which had a pretty good day as well. They were up almost 8% for the day. And that is due, China's been beaten up pretty badly. Political issues, a lack of trust in um, their markets. So we'll see if this is a rally point for them. And basically what triggered this, and I can see if I can find the news, was Jack Ma, one of the original CEOs, purchased quite a bit of stock in the fourth quarter. So I think he's bullish on the chart, and it feels like it's kind of hit a bottom there. So we'll see how that goes. And I don't know if I can news. Co-founder scoop of shares. Ma purchased 50 million worth of stock in Hong Kong and actually worth 152 million, I think, between the two of them. So Baba trades both on the US stock market and in Hong Kong. And it looks like they bought stock in both markets. So, and here's their Beijing offers to plan market support following a long-term decline. So it'll be one to watch. See if Baba continues to rise. And the last one, I think, is Triple M, which had earnings, I think, this morning, and basically tanked. Rebounded a little bit, but we'll see if that can get back above its 100 level. So I hope you guys are doing well. I'm mainly watching the market more than trading it. I think we're kind of peaking, but let's see if it's just a resting point before we actually continue higher. So hopefully you guys have a good night. Look forward to Alan and I tomorrow. We'll do another podcast. And as always, you know, if you need anything, any questions, feel free to reach out. Now we have the Slack app as another avenue for reaching out to Alan and I. You can tag either of us in a comment by using the @ symbol. And we'll just go from there. So everybody have a great night. Good training. We'll talk to you later. Bye, everyone.